In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Expedition 33 UE Sandfall game has crashed fatal error, so you can get back to playing without interruptions. Method 1. Verify game files on Steam. Open your Steam library, right-click on Expedition 33 UE Sandfall. Select Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. This will fix any corrupted or missing files. Method 2. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. Visit NVIDIA or AMD's official website and download the latest drivers. Method 3. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game executable or shortcut, select Run as Administrator to avoid permission issues. Method 4. Disable background programs. Close unnecessary apps like overlays, Discord, Steam Overlay, or antivirus software that might interfere with the game. Method 5. Lower in-game graphics settings. If the crash happens during gameplay, try lowering the graphics settings from the game's options menu. Important notes. Make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. Keep Windows updated for best compatibility. If the problem persists, try reinstalling the game. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more game fixes and tutorials.